morning, class. Today we're going to be talking about telling time. We've already discussed telling time to the hour, so this should be a quick review of telling time to the hour. Remember, our little hand tells us what the hour is. The big hand tells us the time. So this clock here says it is 10 o'clock. And if we want to change what hour it points to, we can easily do that with our little hand pointing to 4, which makes it 4 o'clock. This is called an analog clock. This is the easiest way for us to learn telling time. If we look at our analog clock, we see all these little tick marks going around our clock. Each tick mark stands for 1 minute. So we know if we start here and go all the way around our clock, that tells us that we have 60 minutes. If you count each of these little tick marks, it's 60 minutes, which makes 1 hour. I'm going to put a time on here, and I want to see if you can figure out what the time how it should look. Seven o'clock. Let's see. Where should I put the little hand? Pointing towards 7, and my big hand should point towards 12. That is how we represent 7 o'clock on an analog clock. We're going to be expanding on telling time to include telling to the half hour. When we talk about a half hour, we're talking about 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So on a clock, 30 minutes would be that number right there. That tick mark right there. That is what we would use for telling time to the half hour. The 6 is always going to tell us the time to the half hour. That is it for our lesson today. I want you to continue practicing at home on an analog clock. Tell Mom and Dad they can find one at Toy Theater that you can use to help you tell time to the hour, and then we will expand upon it to tell time to the half hour. Thank you.